Hey guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the radio out of a Honda Civic FK series. Now, the tools you required is a cross-headed screwdriver and a plastic trim tool. Now, the first step, using the trim tool, you're going to pop off the clips at the base and work your way up. Once you get to this part here, you're going to use two fingers to hold the top and then you're going to pull towards you. Be mindful not to bend this as it will damage the material. And now I'm just going to repeat this on the other side. Now this is the climate control panel. You're going to have to take this out. So it's just two clips holding this in on either side, as you can see here. So to do this, I'm going to have one hand underneath and then on both sides I'm just going to pull towards me. Now do not disconnect the cable attached to this unless your battery is disconnected. So we're just going to maneuver this around. But I am going to disconnect the radio cable by just pushing it in, and there you go. And then this is the cable. It can be black as well, just for your information. Now I'm going to remove the screws on both sides. This is just holding the radio into place. You may need to maneuver the climate control panel to get to the other side. Now I'm going to centralize the climate control panel just so I can remove the actual screen. To do this, I'm going to have one hand underneath and then diagonal to it, I'm going to pull towards me on the corner. It can be a little bit stiff, so you may need to repeat this until it slides out.